Another big fat green apple paint try. Started out with very watered down colors to establish a wet on wet shape of an apple. I only left that highlight without any water. Then I tried to put in a background which looked terrible, and I blotted it up, and that was the underpainting. Next I tried to add detail into say where the stem is, and tried to build depth and circumstance, which I don't know if that really worked out so great, but now I'm letting it dry for the big finale. So I was trying to do that stem. You could barely see it, and and now you can see it. It looks stupid. Anyway, working, toddling along. So this is the last break where I let it dry, and now it's time to, try to finish it up somehow. So I'm using a big brush here, trying to take all those marks that I use to try to establish depth and try to sort of smear them around so they just become subtle nuances. Worked on the stem a little bit. The stem was not really cooperating. I guess it's half decent at that point. Try to fix up the shadow because the shadow was ridiculous, and I don't know if the shadow really looks very good. And that's it, the big finish green apple watercolor.